stop worrying about what other people care or the fact that maybe your name won't be remembered in 3 generations' time, you might end up building a legacy by how you interact with people, the choices you make, the people you interact with.
I think everyone actually has status. Now I think about it.
Everyone has status. Just different degrees.
Yeah, and to different people. So, if you're a father, you have status over your sons and daughters. If you're a mother, you have status over your sons and daughters.
Status over or status with?
Status over.
What do you mean by status over?
Because you are a greater source of influence and education.
Okay.
You know more, you have more, you're a provider, you have control, could be another way of saying that. So does status go hand in hand with control?
No, I don't think so.
Well, PT might have status over the mum in the previous example because they can control how that mum looks going forwards.
I don't think it's anything to do with control. I think it's trust.
Okay.
You know, the mum in this example trusts the PT.
But the kid might not trust the parent if it's an abusive parent, but I would still say the parent has status over the child.
I don't know how I feel. I don't know the wording of status over, because that implies that you're higher than or better than. The status implies higher and better than that person.
That is what it is.
See, I don't think so.
No?
I don't think status comes at the expense of other people. I don't think it's it's a tiered system in the sense that people can have more status than others, but I don't think it's a status over. You know, I have status over you.
Can you give an example of somebody who knows less about a thing that doesn't have more status than the person?
So I'm not using status as in knowing more. I'm using status as in held in regard for those people. You know, if someone has status, you hold them in regard.
So you might be, I'm just coming up with an example on the spot. You're definitely a better dancer than I am. But if you like the way I dance, you would give me more status over yourself.
Yes. But I don't think one means that I have status over you. So if I was a better dancer, it doesn't mean I have status over you. It just means we have differing degrees of status.
But then you've got more status, surely.
Yeah, but not status over.
Well, you're over me in the ranks of status.
But that doesn't give me more power or more autonomy.
No, yeah, it does. More people will trust what you say about dance than will trust me. Because you have more expertise in that area. The same as sales. They're like, out to the general public, Will or Connor, one of them has been a salesman for many, many years. The other one has been self-employed but not made anywhere near as much as the other person made in salary and commissions. Which one do you want to teach you sales? They're always going to pick the one that has the highest status in that scenario.
Maybe you're right. Maybe I just have a visceral reaction to the fact that you might be right. Maybe
Most people do.
Yeah. Maybe I don't like status. Maybe I don't like the idea of it implying that one is better or higher than or over someone else.
Is status an old idea? And that's why there's that natural pushback. It feels outdated almost.
I don't think status is outdated.
I don't either. I was just curious.
No, I don't think status is outdated. I just think maybe it's not something that people have looked at. And maybe the social dynamics that then goes on behind status. Because if you're someone with high status, yeah, you might find that you have more pull in a room, and then the social dynamics that come with that are actually quite profound. And I don't know if that's something I've ever looked at. You know, I'd like to think that I try and consider everyone equal. But maybe you're right. Maybe there are scenarios where you're like, actually, I'm not going to listen to this person because of whatever reason. They don't have enough information. They haven't lived as many experiences. So yeah, it's interesting.